Welcome to Doodlebuggers. My name is Ariel and I'm Doodlebuggers' lead outdoor kitchen designer. I'll take you through the design process. That means starting from the showroom all the way to the end of your installation. I'll be with you through the whole way. When we start you in the design process, we do start you by showing you what kind of products we offer. Our number one seller, the thing that we do the most of, would be NatureKast. It's an outdoor custom cabinetry. It has all the luxury of your indoor cabinets, but it's all weather material, so it withstands being outside all year round. Stainless steel slides, so it's all outdoor weather material. The interior of the cabinet is black PVC, so it's very durable. And then the front of the door is cast resin. It's cast just to look just like real wood, and then finished in different colors. Our niche is to deal with custom designs and custom builds. We do offer two-dimensional renderings, so you get a good idea about what the layout is. We give multiple different views. This is a design that we did for someone. They had very specific requests. They were building a 2-story pavilion as an add-on to their house. We consulted with them about exactly the products that they wanted. It gave them a good idea of the finishes that they'd be getting offered, giving them real-life examples of the granite as well as the cabinetry, and they ended up getting exactly what they wanted. So when you're ready to start the process, come on down to one of our showrooms. We have a location in Pensacola as well as in Destin, and we'll start consulting you on the process of making your outdoor dream kitchen and showing you what we can do.